Welcome, welcome. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to start a blog on Squarespace. Now, first things first, if you want to start blogging on Squarespace, you have to start with setting up your website. You can decide if there are any other pages on this website or if you want just a blog and that's it, that's totally fine. We can change those settings later. So with any of Squarespace's pricing options, you can add an unlimited number of pages. You can even add additional separate blogs to the same website. So let's get started. First off, you're going to click either the link below this video, it's either above or below or somewhere in the caption to get started with Squarespace. So if you go to squarespace.com, you can click on Get Started in the top right hand corner, and then you're going to be taken to the place where you choose one of the pre-made templates from Squarespace. To make it easier to see what are really set up already for blogging, if that's just what you're using this website for, you can change the type to blog, and it will then go through and show you the templates that are more geared towards bloggers. So you're just going to choose one that you maybe want to preview. You want to see some of the other pages. You're going to hover over it, and then you're going to see preview and the name of the template. Just click on that. And then you can scroll through and it's going to show you what this template looks like. Now it's going to take you to the home page first. So in order for you to see what the blog specifically looks like, you're going to want to click on blog. Now to see also what it looks like on mobile, you can change the mobile view here and just make sure that you like it. Now again, all settings can be changed after, so this isn't totally important, but hey, the closer you can get to your final design with a pre-built template, the better. Now, if you like whatever particular template that you are on right now that you are viewing the demo site of, you can also see the entire demo site full width on your computer by pressing that View Demo Site. But if you're ready to start with it, you can click on this black Start with this design. If you already have an account with Squarespace, it's simply going to ask you to log in, or if you're already logged in, it's just going to generate the new template as a separate new website on your existing Squarespace account. If you don't already have a Squarespace account, you're just going to be asked to enter some details, your email, set up a password, and then it's going to set up whatever template you've chosen as the very first website on your Squarespace account. Now, if you're not happy with whatever particular website template that you are viewing, we can just go back and view another one and use a separate one. So you just scroll up, you find another one, maybe you're like, ooh, this one looks interesting, let's preview this one, We can go back here to change it back to desktop view, and when you have found the perfect one or what's close to your perfect one, again, you're just going to start with this design. That's as easy as it is to start a blog on Squarespace. You can view one of my other videos to see how we can change all the settings, how we can actually publish a blog post, and other subjects. Thanks for watching.